Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Console Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To start our troubleshooting for Console Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Console Library, the Legacy Console Interface Support module. It provides unmanaged routines for rendering command line visual manifests within the Win32 subsystem. It manages the data link between the standard input-output stream and the visual window buffer, maintaining backward compatibility for CUI, console user interface applications. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Console Library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Console Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Console Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Console Library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Console Library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.